Hey guys, today is Tuesday, December 4th, 2018, and this is our guest room that we have at the Dorado Casitas in El Dorado Royale Hotel in Cancun, Mexico. Let's go see what our room looks like. There's the mat right there. Oh wow, that's really awesome. They got a placemat when you wake up, and then they got a... What kind of bed is this, Mom?
King size.
King size bed. Yeah, this is a king size bed. And of course some nightstands and a lamp. And we also got a closet here. It's really awesome. And let's see. Oh yeah, there's another nightstand with an alarm clock right there. Yeah, and of course a lamp too, above lamp. And let's see, we got a... oh yeah, this is a table like when you're at dinner or lunch, and then there's some chairs right there. I really like that painting. It's really good looking. And, oh well, didn't expect this to be here. We got like a little couch with a little stand. I think that's what it's called, yeah. And let's see, they got a little dresser area here. And a TV here. Let's see what else I got here. Got a bathtub with jacuzzi jets. That's really awesome. And oh, almost forgot. Let's go check it out over here. Oh wow, this is the bathroom. We got trash can. I forgot what it's called, but it's something to weigh yourself, how much you weigh, and all that. And oh yeah, it's called a scale. Now I remember. We also got some sinks and a little mirror with a light around the white part of the mirror. Another sink. I read the plant they have on there. And some soap and tissues that they give you in the room, in like the room kind of service. Towels on some racks underneath, in front of the sinks. Excuse me. And then we got some, looks like a shower kind of thing. Shampoo right there. Oh yeah, there's a shower. Yeah, I was right. And we got a toilet with toilet paper and trash can, of course.
2904.
Oh, hey everybody. Oh, what's this? Oh, this is an outdoor shower that they have here at the Dorado Casitas rooms. Yeah, it looks really good. Alright, now let's go see what it looks like outside. Excuse me.
Let's touch base. Get ready, and then we'll touch base.
Okay.
Yeah, just come down the main thing, and I
like their palm tree logo right there in the El Dorado Casitas.
on... Like,
Alright, let's go check it out. Oh, hang on, forgot it's locked.
So
Mom, how do you unlock this?
Cut back towards the resort before you get to 29. Pull it.
Okay. Let's see what's out here. Excuse me. Oh wow, I got a table with a couple of chairs. Some lounge chairs. Excuse me. Oh wow, we got a little bed, like when you're done like swimming. Oh, look at this. It's a connecting pool to a few guest rooms around here. I like that bridge they have there. Looks really good. Alright guys, that's our look at our guest room here at the El Dorado Casitas Hotel in Cancun, Mexico. And I'll be back to show you guys where we're having dinner at tonight. Okay, see you guys then. Bye. Hey guys, today is Tuesday, December 4th, 2018, and you've guys seen my room tour at the El Dorado Casitas Resort in Cancun, Mexico, but there was one amenity I forgot to show you, and it's underneath the TV here. It's in these cabinets here. I'll show you right now. Forgot to mention it in my room tour video, but here it is. They got some things to make tea and coffee with, and a couple water bottles right there if you can see it. Right there. And in this fridge, got chips, a bag of chips, a bag of pretzels, Coca-Cola, Diet Coke, Sprite, Fanta, and some water and beer in this fridge. Yep, looks really good in there. Okay, hang on a second, guys. Alright guys, that's all for today's videos for day number 1 of my mom and I's 2018 vacation to Cancun / Riviera Maya, Mexico. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for day number 2 of our 2018 vacation to Mexico. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Okay, see you guys then. Bye.